So my friends, mason jars with fairy lights and jute rope and more than just recycled decor. They are symbol of creativity, sustainability, peace and opportunity. Every glowing jar tells a story of saving the planet, of calming the mind and of creating beauty out of ordinary. Out of the ordinary, the next time you finish a jar of jam or honey, don't throw it away. Imagine it glowing, lighting up your evening, carrying memories, or even starting a small business of you. You can start a small business with it. Remember, from a simple jar and a strand of light, you can create magic. Magic of your home, your heart, and your future. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine a simple mason jar, a clear glass jar that once stored pickle, jam, or honey. Now imagine slipping a strand of fairy lights inside that jar. Suddenly, something magical happens. For this festival, you can do it. The jar is no longer ordinary, it glows like a lantern, it's a sparkle like a captured stars, and it transforms the entire atmosphere of the room. This is the beauty of mason jar recycling with fairy lights. Today I will take you through not only how to do it but also why it matters for your home, for your mind, and even for your business future. Mason jars are more than just containers, they are strong, reusable, and timeless in designs. Every kitchen has them, every household uses them, and yet many end but in the trash or hidden away in cupboard. But there's a secret. Mason jars are like blank canvases. Their simplicity makes them perfect for creativity. With just a little organizer, candle holders, or glowing lanterns. When we pair these jars with fairy lights, something magical happens. The soft glow of lights bouncing off clear glass creates warmth, it creates coziness, it creates beauty. On a dining table, they add romance. On a bedroom shelf, they create calmness. In a garden, they look like fireflies dancing in the dark. And here's the best part, recycling mason jars is eco friendly, cost effective, and emotionally rewarding. Let's explore some inspiring ways to recycle mason jars with fairy lights. Clean the jar, coil in a strand of warmth white fairy light inside, and tie a ribbon or jute rope around the rope. Place it in the middle of your table. Suddenly, you have a glowing centerpiece that sets the mood for dinner or celebration. Hanging lantern, hanging lace. Decorate with lace for outdoor spaces. Attach a wire handle to the jar and hang it from tree branches, balcony, railing, or hooks. In your garden at night, the jar glow like magical lanterns, creating an enchanting outdoor atmosphere. Holiday and festival decoration. For this holiday, add tiny ornaments, pine cones, or artificial snow inside the jar with the lights for Diwali, for Eid, and for Xmas. Add colorful beads and golden fairy lights. These designs energy, brings festive, bring energy into your home without spending so much money. Every jar has a story waiting to be told, and with just a strand of fairy lights and lace and jute rope, that story becomes one of beauty, hope, and magic. Creativity begins with seeing possibilities where others see waste. And when you light up a mason jar, you are not just decorating your